Hello, everyone. I'm Pharmacist Michael, your trusted source for happy, healthy living. Today, we're diving into a shocking topic, the one food that's even worse for your health than sugar. Now, we all know that sugar isn't exactly a health food. It's been linked to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even inflammation. But what if I told you there's a food out there that can even do more harm? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this food is, why it's so harmful, and how you can protect your health. So let's jump right in. Before we reveal the ultimate offender, let's talk about sugar. Sugar gets a lot of bad press, and for good reason. Here's what too much sugar does to your body: it spikes blood sugar, leading to insulin resistance and eventually type 2 diabetes. It promotes fat storage, especially around your belly, increasing your risk of heart disease. It feeds inflammation, worsening conditions like arthritis, acne, and chronic pain. It damages your skin, accelerating aging by breaking down collagen and elastin. Now, if sugar is this bad, imagine how dangerous the food we're about to discuss must be to top it. Let's reveal the true villain. The one food that's even worse for you than sugar is industrial seed oils. Yes, those common vegetable oils like soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, and cottonseed oil. These oils are lurking in everything from salad dressings to fried foods, packaged snacks, and even so called health foods. But why are they worse than sugar? Let me break it down for you. Seed oils are bad news for several reasons. They're high in omega 6 fatty acids. Your body needs some omega 6s, but in excess, they promote chronic inflammation. The typical Western diet has an omega 6 to omega 3 ratio of 20 to 1 or higher. Ideally, it should be around 4 to 1 or less. Highly processed and refined seed oils are made using high heat, chemicals, and solvents, which strip any beneficial nutrients and create harmful byproducts. These processes also produce trans fats, which are linked to heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. When these oils are heated, say for frying, they oxidize, producing free radicals. Free radicals cause cellular damage, contributing to aging, inflammation, and diseases like Alzheimer's. Unlike sugar, which you can easily identify, seed oils are sneaky. They're hidden in so many processed foods, making them hard to avoid without careful label reading. Inflammation overload. Chronic inflammation is linked to diseases like arthritis, cardiovascular issues, autoimmune disorders, and even depression. Increased risk of obesity. Seed oils disrupt how your body metabolizes fats, contributing to weight gain. Heart disease. While marketed as heart healthy, seed oils increase your risk of heart disease by contributing to arterial plaque and oxidative stress. And they're harmful for brain health. Oxidized oils can harm brain cells, potentially increasing the risk of cognitive decline and mental health issues. Now that you know how harmful seed oils are, how can you avoid them? Here are some practical tips. First of all, read labels carefully. Look out for soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil, and sunflower oil in ingredient lists. Cook at home. This gives you control over the oils you use. Choose healthier fats: extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, grass fed butter ghee. Avoid fried and packaged foods. Most restaurant fried foods and packaged snacks are made with seed oils. Opt for fresh, whole foods instead. Eat omega-3 rich foods. Balance your fatty acid intake by eating foods like salmon, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. You might be wondering, why are seed oils so common if they're so harmful? The answer is simple. They're cheap to produce and have a long shelf life, making them a favorite for food manufacturers. But just because they're convenient doesn't mean they're good for you. By eliminating seed oils and focusing on whole, nutrient dense foods, you can improve your health, reduce inflammation, and feel better than ever. The one food that's even worse for you than sugar is industrial seed oils. While avoiding them completely might seem daunting, even small changes can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on happy, healthy living. Let me know in the comments, were you surprised by today's topic? Have you tried cutting out seed oils? Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you.